Kev G, weather overview. Good evening, everybody. Taking a look at the next 36, 48, 72 infinity hours into our weather universe. Well, actually, we'll just take a look at the weekend. It's actually pretty simple to do that. And it was a gorgeous one today. Nice day after the last 2 or 3 days been pretty good after the surprise snowfall for some on Monday morning. We'll get to that in a little while. Here's Weather Underground showing 59 degrees, and we do have some rainfall off to our west. You can see that noted in the green and the yellow. But mostly this is light rain and winds off the cool Atlantic waters are going to be the theme for the next 36 hours as we move along. So we'll take a look at some shots from Intellicast.com. And what we'll see through the night, we will see rain develop region-wide, especially from New York City south and west for the first part of the night and into tomorrow morning. And then it'll get spotty everywhere. But what you'll really notice is the temperatures are going to come down some 15 to 20 degrees from where they were today. We were up near 60 today. We're going to do no better than the low to mid 40s tomorrow for your Friday and the last day of the week. So as we move along through the course of the day, we will have a warm front to our south, but it never really makes it in here. And all it really does is just allow easterly winds off the cool Atlantic waters to pump in some very brisk, raw, chilly air. And we'll see rain develop off and on during the day. Again, not terribly heavy during the course of the day. I think the most rainfall that we see is probably a period of moderate rain sometime tomorrow evening into the overnight hours. Here's 8 o'clock on the Intellicast.com surface map depiction for the futurecast, as it were. But again, the big story tomorrow is the noticeable change in air mass from one day to the next. That's how it is around here for your spring. And it is going to be if you had the spring jacket today, you got to get the winter stuff out tomorrow. But see, by 4 a.m. on Saturday, as we're moving along, this is a quick exit. This is not going to linger as we saw the storm last weekend. This is going to zip off the coast. Here's AccuWeather.com. So by this weekend, the chilly air that's parked over the Midwest, it never really makes it in here. It's a windy day on Saturday, but the temperatures are pretty seasonable. We're going to be in the 50s after we get out of tomorrow's soupy, raw, rainy Friday. And here we go with the temperatures off of Intellicast.com, back to their graphics. And you can see what I mean. The coolest day is definitely tomorrow. And then after that, the next chance we have for rain is going to be Monday into Monday night. So all in all, not a bad weekend. A little windy on Saturday. Saturday night's a little chilly, but not too bad. No precip in the offing. And speaking of precip, here was your Monday morning snowfall. And you can see that northeast Nassau, northwest Suffolk, into Connecticut got this crazy burst of snow for the Monday morning commute. Not something that I had in mind here on the big website. That's why we follow it with frequent updates on blogspot.com and terrifically talented tweets on Twitter at KevStorm, NYC.